We all have to buy shampoo and body wash anyways. At least I hope you're buying shampoo and body wash. So why not get them for $1.49 each? The first deal is on the Garnier Fructis. You can pick up 2 of the shampoos, 2 of the conditioners, 1 of each, just this size. Clip the 5X digital coupon to your Kroger account, saving $1 on each, as well as this coupon for $4 off of 2. Makes them just $1.49 each. Please remember prices do vary by region, and the coupons may vary by account. So don't get mad at me. This is what I have to work with. This next deal, you can grab 2 of the soft soap body washes, or 2 of the Irish Spring body washes, or 1 of each. Personally, I think this is the better deal, and I'll show you why. Irish Spring has a weekly digital deal making them $3.49, and I don't have the screenshot, but soft soaps is $3.99. So if you don't care about the extra 50 cents, then get the soft soap. Also, check your Kroger account for $4 off of 2. It will make the Irish Spring $1.49 each, or the soft soap $1.99 each. Either way, not a terrible deal, especially down from $5.49. That's insane. Give me a follow if you want to see more deals like this. And be sure to follow me on all my platforms because I post different deals and different content on each.